Therefore they are thinking the dog is eating on the street, we are eating in a very good hotel, nice table, nice dishes. This is advancement. But they do not think that after all the dog is eating, you are also eating. You may be a better dog, that's all. So what is your extra business? So dog is eating only flesh or meat because God has ordained. But you are ordained to eat fruits, flowers, nice grain, milk preparation. But you, because you are dog, you are eating meat. They think like that. This is advancement. The animals wander naked, so man is also trying to become naked, nudies. This is life. So their extra intelligence is being used like that. Very, very abominable condition of the human society. You are the only hope to save them. Otherwise it is doomed. Thank you very much.